pizza night. And of course, we're not making our own pizza dough tonight. We were going to use a pizza crust by Pillsbury. We will see how the Ooni Fyra does with that. We're just going to make a pepperoni pizza, so let's get inside and get that going. I'll get that little Ooni Fyra there in the background going, and we'll come back out and throw the pizza in it and see how long it takes. Okay, so here we have our Pillsbury pizza dough. We're just going to open this up. Aren't these fun? Okay, just I'll have to crack it open. There we go. Just take your pizza dough out of the can, get it unrolled, just like this. Actually, I think I need to get me some flour first. Get some flour. Okay. Now this dough's square, so this isn't gonna make a round pizza. I think we're just gonna fold it up, and then I'm gonna squeeze it into a ball like you do with a regular dough, just like that. And then from there I'm gonna try to make it into a round pizza now that I got a pizza dough ball. So I'll just squish it down, and this dough's kind of firm since it's a little bit chilled. So I'm going to break out the rolling pin, and we're just going to go to town on it. Here we go. Just like that. Just stretch it out. You want to get it out to about 12 inches. Got my handy tape measure. Well, let me turn this around for you. Okay, 12 inches. Okay, check the other way. 12 inches. All right, now you got to move the dough, and you got to, before you put your toppings on, you got to put it on your peel. I like to add a little cornmeal to help it slide off of there. Works better than flour. You get your dough on there, shake it, make sure it's going to move. I'm going to use Classico pizza sauce. Just dump a little bit on there. Use the back of a spoon, spread it out. Easy stuff. Then I'm going to use some mozzarella cheese. Nice amount of cheese on there, and then I'm going to use some pepperonis. We're just making a pepperoni pizza. Look at that! I should work in Vegas the way I deal those pizza pepperonis out. All right, out to the Ooni Fyra. A little cheese on top. Let's get this thing baked up. It is about 40 degrees out here. Just check our temp real quick. Like we're about 630, 640, 670. We're almost there. We'll give it a couple more minutes. Okay, I just checked the temp, and it is at about 730. Good enough. Here's our pizza. Looking good, still moves. Let's get that in there. Okay, start counting. Okay, we're going to count 20 to 25 seconds per turn. I will turn this 4 times. Not in real time, obviously. All right, it's looking good. 20, 25. One last time. Let's get the camera down there. Okay, this was a Pillsbury dough. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, a wood-fired Pillsbury dough. Pepperoni pizza. My cheese on top burned a little bit, but it's all good. We'll cut this up and then we'll try it out. Okay, we just cut this up, 6 pieces. My 12-inch pizzas usually go like that. Look at that. Let's take it out and taste test it. Okay, so the Pillsbury pizza dough on the Ooni Fyra. Just the pepperoni pizza. Cheese got a little blackened. It's all good. We had it stacked up pretty good. So you can see our Christmas lights behind me. All right, let's take a test of this. Looks pretty good. Bottom looks really good. That is very good. It's cooked all the way through. Got a little bit of a wood fire crust right there. Not too bad on the char. Perfect. All right. Sorry, I had to have another bite. It's so good. Okay, guys. UniFira does it again. This time with the Pillsbury dough. And hey, it worked. Took a little time to get the dough stretched out because I balled it back up. It was just a rectangle. I guess I could have done a rectangle pizza, maybe next time. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And it's cold out here. I'm gonna go eat this. We'll see you on the next video. All right.